Hey, what's up you guys? Rainy Shaw here, back with another video. It's been a couple weeks since my last upload. Been jonesing to take another ride in the VR4, get you guys some POV content. Today's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. Let's go ahead and rip the VR4 around town. Ready to rip the VR4, Todd?
Ready.
Let's go. God, you see my head?
Oh, I didn't see that.
The roof's falling. Thanks. Oopsies.
What the hell is going on?
Car's too fast for itself. It's just falling apart. It's reducing weight like a spaceship. Oh shit, did I just blow that? Fuck. Man, I'm so cool. Hey, little Ferrari. 360. Hey, in a minute I'm gonna pull over and we're gonna take the top off, start cruising. It won't rain.
It's gonna say that.
Yeah, it just started raining. The old jinx. Look at that little boat. Simplicity, yeah, that's a simple boat. Simple life. We're all about the simple life down here. Like that house, just so simple. Simple 10-bedroom design. Man, it's raining.
Son of a biscuit.
It's not raining as bad as it was yesterday. That shit was flooded. Well, knock on wood, it's early. On a beautiful day at the beach.